Doing 1920 Chronicles. Basketball for David. Thank you very much. No, I got 6 boxes from one distributor. I got a case from another distributor, and then I have more coming Monday. I didn't get my direct allocation yet. Thibault rookie, Anthony Davis, R.J. Barrett. I sold a case to an in-store customer, but I haven't opened any. Middleton. Hey, what a way to start. Zion Crusade right off the bat. Let me just sleeve all these as we go. Or at least the rookies. As expensive as these are. PJ Washington. Cam Reddish. Man, double Zion pack to start off with. PJ Washington, that is 75 of 99. Poole, Barrett playbook, Ingram, Irving, Kendrick Nunn Crusade, 36 of 99 Kevin Huerter Airborne, Tyler Hero, Essentials, and Morant Marquee. Melly, Jackson Hayes, Brandon Clark out of 49, Hachimura, Flux, first Flux we have seen, Nasir Little, Giannis, and Carson Edwards. None. Kobe White. Cameron Johnson, 48 of 49. PJ Washington. Zion, 76 of 149. Hometown Heroes. Jimmy Butler out of 99. The Flux, Jared Culver. Zion. That is a Prism Hometown Hero. R.J. Barrett. Little. Steph. Terrence Davis, 94 of 149. Carmelo Prism in Portland. Kendrick Nunn rookie. Kendrick Nunn rookie. And 49 of 99. Nasir Little Blue Essential. David, nice box, man. 4 Zions. 4 Zions.